Hi guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Pallavi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I came up with this slutty smoky green eye look with halo effect. To get to know that how I achieved this look, please stay tuned. My lenses are on and my brows are done. Now to prime my eyelids, I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Its shade I'm gonna be listing in the description box down below. With the help of a flat concealer brush, I'm applying it all over my lid. To blend it out nicely, I'm using a small blending brush from PAC. To set my eyelid, I'm using Laura Mercier's loose powder. You can use any loose powder or compact, it's your choice. For my eye look, I'm using Lorac 120 eyeshadow palette. With the help of large blending brush, I'm taking this green shade and brown shade, mixing both together and applying it onto my crease. This is gonna be my transition shade. Now I'm taking this dark green shade with a hint of blue and blending it with my transition shade. Now with the help of a small blending brush, I'm taking this green shade over here and applying it under my crease. To cut my crease, I'm taking this flat brush and cutting my crease. To blend the harsh line, I'm taking this dark green shade with a small blending brush and blending out the edges. Now I'm taking a flat shader brush and taking this shimmery green shade from the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in Emerald and applying it all over my lid very nicely. To add on some glitter, I'm using Hang Feng liquid glitter eyeliner in the shade 06 and applying it all over my eyelid. For lashes, I'm using Lights Camera lashes from Tarte. My lashes are on now. Now to clean my face, I'm using Johnson's Baby Wipes. For moisturizing, I'm using farsali volcanic elixir oil. To soften up my lips, I'm using Clinique Take the All Day Off Lip Balm. To prime my face, I'm using Benefit Porefessional Primer and applying it all over my face. From your lips to your hips to your fingertips. For foundation, today I'm gonna be using Laneige Cushion Puff Foundation. It came with its own puff. And talking about the foundation, it's super light for me. And for dry skin tones, please stay away from this foundation. This foundation is super drying even though I moisturize my face really well, but it gives me dry patches all over my face and it is medium coverage foundation. Kiss your body all over, from the goosebumps on your skin. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And with the help of a flat concealer brush, I'm applying it under my eyes, around my mouth, bridge of my nose, the area where I want to highlight my face. Baby, you don't have to say a word. Use your imagination. Got chefs on a mission to give you everything that your body's been missing. I can't wait no more. I'm gonna explode. To blend the area under my eyes, I'm using a small beauty blender from PAC. I'm waiting, anticipating tonight. It's going down. To blend my entire face, I'm using a big beauty blender and dabbing it all over my face. To set my face, I'm using Laura Mercier's loose powder I'm not gonna be baking today because the foundation is super drying. If I bake, it will spoil my whole look. For compact, I'm using Sivanna Colors compact powder and setting my entire face. To tightline my waterline, I'm using Dior's kajal, and today I'm going to be a little bit smoking it out to give that smoky look. With the help of a flat shader brush, I'm mixing these two dark green shades over here and blending with my kajal. To highlight my inner corners, I'm again using Hang Fang liquid glitter eyeliner. For contouring, today I'm gonna be using Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick and contouring my cheekbones, jawline and the area where I want to contour to give dimension to my face. To blend this contour, I'm taking a blending brush and blending it out. To set my contour in place, I'm using Sivanna Colors Ultimate Pro Palette and taking this bronze shade and bronzing up my face with the angular brush. Now I'm taking a damp beauty blender and dabbing it all my face to remove the harsh lines. For blush, I'm gonna be using Faces Canada Glam On Blush. Its shade, I'm gonna be listing it down below. To remove the excessive product, I'm taking the beauty blender and dabbing it. For highlighting, I'm using Sivanna Colors Ultimate Pro Palette again and taking this highlighting shade and going to apply on my high points like my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow. Look the glow, guys. It's beautiful. To contour my lips, I'm using Huda Beauty Lip Contour Pencil. For lipstick, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick. To give that slutty look, I'm using Oaks Lip Gloss. To set my entire face, I'm using MAC Fix Plus Prime. And this is the final look, guys. Thumbs up if you enjoyed my video. Share my videos with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new. You also find my socials down there. Do follow me on that as well. I love you guys so much and I see you with the brand new one. Bye.